Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. You may recognise this place from my previous video. If you've not, check it out here. But before we jump into this video, I'd just like to thank my sponsor, which is absolutely nobody because I don't have one. In today's video, we're going to be flying a drone through this warehouse again, looking at new lines and hopefully not crashing the drone. So let's jump into the video. Okay, so what we've brought along with us today is this. We've got the Mavic Air 2. The controller, we've got 4 batteries at the minute, which should do us just fine. And what we're going to do is look at the first shot we achieved the other day, which was zooming through this warehouse and out that door there, well, where the door would have been. Right, let's get the drone up in the air and run you through the shot with the drone. Okay, there's my cameraman to the left. Don't worry, he's on minimum wage. And there's me poking my head out like a proper pervert. And here we go, we're going to send the drone through. And we've overlaid the video in the bottom so you can see me how I was doing it. Following the drone, getting to eye level now just to make sure that the drone gets through that door and doesn't hit the top bar or the sidewall. And that's how we achieved that shot. Once you get it through the gap, it's important that you bring it back safely. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fly the drone over the warehouse and bring it back to land on the other side. So that's how we achieved that shot, standing behind the wall, following the drone through the gap. We had it in tripod mode, going really slow, and then we sped it up in the video editor afterwards. Right, on to the next one. Okay, so we've come back for a second time and I've seen this new line which is through the door over there. We're going to send a drone way out there, probably a couple of 100 meters. We're going to fly it probably about 50 meters high, then come lowering down. The drone's going to fly through the warehouse, out the door, out the other side. Now the key to this shot is I don't want to be seen in obviously the video afterwards, so I need to find a location where I can control the drone safely, make sure it's going to get through that door safely, but I don't want to be seen. So I'm just going to scout the area out, try and find a location that is good to hide behind. So let's go. If I stand here, hopefully the drone coming from that direction will fly past us. As it comes past us, I'm going to step out just to make sure it gets through the door safely and we're away. Right, let's get the drone up. Okay, we're going to switch to tripod mode like before, hit record and bring the drone in. Okay, so we've done that first time. That's quite straightforward. Bring it down nice and straight through the other door. If at any point I thought I was going to hit anything, I would have just stopped, reversed the drone back out and go again. Let's run the clip and see how that looked. So I hope you enjoyed that one. We're going to show you now a clip of me doing something really stupid. Remember what I said about flying the drone backwards, making sure you get it safely. I'm going to show you a clip I got on my cinematic video again, going through the viaduct. Unfortunately, I didn't bring it back safely. I was rushed, I was a bit tired. And after going through the arches, I just pulled back on the sticks and nearly hit a tree and nearly hit the viaduct. So this is me being a wally, nearly crashing my drone. So here you can see I've got the drone perfectly lined up. Oh, look how artistic that is. Amazing, eh? Perfection. And this is where I give up on life and forget to turn the drone around and just decide to fly backwards back through the arch. As you can see, I'm nearly going to hit the tree and also the wall of the viaduct. What a plum. So make sure when you complete your manoeuvre that you get your drone back safely. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys, and I hope you can see what goes into making these cinematic films. If you've not seen them, check them out up here. But make sure you're subscribed to the channel, because in the next video we're going to be flying in the woods here, doing similar stuff, showing you the lines and how to fly your drone in tight situations like this. Thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. Stay awesome, guys, and we'll catch up soon.